Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the permalink structure for WordPress. Some people use it in a different way for different reasons, but I'm going to show you how to get that nice clean permalink popping for you. So all you have to do is, of course, log into your WordPress website. Okay, after you've logged in, go to dashboard and let's pick a post. Maybe your first post or your second post, whatever post it may be, but just start a post. Get your post started. Okay, I'm going to edit one post right here, where you will notice where it says where it has right here, this is my permalink. Okay, that is what you want. You want your permalink to be clean and to the point, have your keywords in it, so search engines can see it, and so human eyes can see it, and it doesn't have all these different characters in the post. So how do you do that? It's simple. Go to settings, hover over settings, go to permalinks. Click on permalinks. After you click on permalinks, go ahead and click on where it says post name. After you click on post name, go ahead and click on right here. It says custom structure. Post name is what you want, and custom structure is it'll highlight it where it says post name. So after you do that, just go ahead after you press post name, and then press save changes. After you press save changes, then anytime you make a post, let's say for instance you want to make a post, and here it goes right here where it says all posts, and I'm just gonna give you an example of how it would look. You go press edit, go to whichever post that you want to go to, and say for instance if you had put in get your blog installed for free, it'll automatically populate on top right here in the inside of this input box after you begin to start typing in creating your body for your post. So you can edit this to any keywords or any phrase you want to. It is up to you. It is your blog. Again, my name is Jermaine. Please, of course, of Web Hosting Throne. I just explained to you how to use permalinks for WordPress, and that's what it is. So thank you all for joining me. I will see you guys in the future.